Hi, I'm Philip Downing. This is the look I've created on my model Liney for the new bedhead campaign. To create some volume and texture, we use Superstar Queen for a day as a cutting lotion and blow-drying aid, spraying from roots to ends. We approach this by taking a profile section, then taking a radial section, then take a halo section.
Let's bring the house down.
So for the forward graduation, I work with the slide cutting technique around the face, natural fall with a slight over direction forward, and a 45-degree elevation.
Let's bring the house.
To personalise the forward graduation and give added softness and texture to the shape, I use the slicing technique. Within the halo section, I work with the vertical section, elevated from 90 degrees into over direct. Using the forward graduation as a guideline, we point cut from short to long towards the back baseline. Working towards the sides of the halo, we then work with vertical sections, over directed everything back to the stationary guide. Once the front part of the radial was complete, we then did the same technique at the lower part of the radial at the back of the head. Again working on a profile section, 90 degrees into over direct and point cutting from short to long. Take vertical sections and over directing everything back to the stationary guide. This then would create a disconnected inversion.
Let's bring the house.
To create loose volume and texture, we utilised a large TIGI round brush and stretched out the cuticle and gave some direction and movement towards the ends. So to personalise and give added softness and texture to the shape, I used the slicing technique. To finish the shape, we spray Head Headrush all the way through the hair to loosen up and give direction and movement to the layers. To finish off and give added hold and support, we utilise TIGI Bedhead Masterpiece Hairspray.